I'll tell you one thing, they thought of everything in this kit. Everything's here that you need.
All right, there's the star of today's show, honey. This is my mead. We made a whole video on how to do this from scratch, but today's video is a little bit different.
Can't nobody stop this love. Oh, can't nobody stop this love. So baby, meet me down by the Roanoke River where the cool dark water meets the full moonlight.
All right, welcome back to the channel. I gave you a little bit of a hint the last time I did a video on some of those extract wines. Make sure you're watching that. But today, we are gonna have a surprise. You've seen us make this from beginning to end. This is our blueberry mead, and this is just a regular honey mead that we won awards on.
Just check out the color of these meads. Again, we've got a simple mead just with honey, and then we added blueberries to the other gallon jug.
If you're just getting into the hobby, maybe you want to do it a little bit different than what I showed you in this video. And this is all about something somebody sent me, a company. We'll get into it, but let me get the box. That's it right there. That is a kit to make mead. Let's just stop the rambling, get into this video and unbox. I can't wait to see what's in here. I can't believe I waited this long for it. Now, I usually don't do video reviews on anything of products that are sent to me. I'm not affiliated with this company, but it's called Craft a Brew. And they said they were gonna send me a whole kit and give me an honest opinion and review. So that's what we got. We got the kit and I wanna open it up. So let's just get into this unboxing because I'm ready. Now, I know I've been promising the tasting on our meads here and I just haven't had time. Our travel channel's keeping us pretty busy this time of year on cruises. So hop over and see Along for the Journey. But we'll get into that tasting at some point. But for now, I want to just get on to this unboxing. This company, which is again called Craft a Brew, is located in Florida. And if you live in Florida, maybe you buy some of your supplies here. They've got all kinds of kits. They wanted to send me wine kits. And I said, let's see how this one goes first. Let's just open this box. All right, so far I'm impressed with the packaging. We got all this paper here to protect stuff. That's great. And bubble wrap. You gotta have bubble wrap. Man, they included a lot of stuff in here. Let's go over this individually, and then we're gonna get into showing you how to use and make this kit. Look at this. This is local hive honey. You know what? That's the same stuff I use for my mead. So far, we're on the right page. We got the honey for the mead. You don't want to see what's in that cabinet. All right, look at here. This is more honey. More honey. I guess, I don't know how much this kit's gonna make, but so far, I'm loving it. And here's an instruction book. Let's see what they got. I see yeast nutrient here. Here's your Lalvin yeast. I like the Red Star, but I know a lot of people use this and have a lot of success. So they're using some of the best too. And it looks like an instruction booklet. We'll see what that's all about. But let's just open these kits. What did they send? And when you order these kits, I think this is what you actually get. You gotta love bubble wrap. That's their kit. How to make honey wine. Mead Making Kit. Honey wine. Look at that. All right, we'll open these individually, but let's just skip whatever else is in this box at this point. Oh, I think I know what this is. Let me see if I can open it down in here. The packaging is great, guys. I love it. Oh, I know what this is. It's not what I thought. I thought it was going to be like a carboy. They actually sent me bottles, little mead bottles. Look at those. Those are fantastic. I love those. How many did they give us here? Looks like they gave us 8 bottles. Oh, and swing top. One thing that's nice about this kit versus when you make it from homemade, this is kind of sped up a little bit. So when you make this, it's drinkable fairly quick. We'll get into the instructions and see what that says, but what are they? The swing tops for the bottles. 8 of them. Let me get all this stuff out, and then we'll open that kit and see what's in there. All right, that's it. That's the box is empty. That was the bottles. We can get rid of this, and now we're going to go over this stuff individually and show you everything that's included, and they will put a package together like this for you too. If you don't have the bottles, I think they may have thrown them in. I'm not sure this is the whole kit, but I think when you buy the kits, this is what you're really interested in, all that honey. Oh, right here, look. Here's a simple instruction. Mix local honey, water, and yeast, ferment, bottle, and enjoy. We're going to take you through this whole process, but let's open this up and see what's in this. The nectar of the gods. That's mead.
They thought of everything in this kit. They even gave you a back sweetening kit to make this mead a little sweeter.
All right, so far we got the bottles, we got the swing tops, we got the honey, we got the back sweetening kit, we got the yeast, some of the additives. Let's open this box up. All right, this is the little bag that had our instructions, like right there. But we also got in here, let's see, we got that yeast, which you gotta have yeast to make mead. You all know that if you're watching this channel by now. They even give you a yeast nutrient to kick off that yeast. And this is more yeast nutrient. We got 2 of those. And you gotta have sanitizer. You know I like Star San, but we might try and use this to sanitize our bottles and our equipment. Now let's open this box up and see what is inside this. What is in here? Oh, another guide to making mead. We need that. Oh, I thought this was gonna be in here. That's what I thought was in that other box. But look, they even give you the airlocks and the bunge there. So that's awesome. Man, I guess this is the kit. All this other stuff was extra, like the bottles. But here is more additives. I guess we'll open that up. Make sure there's nothing different in this one. I see some more yeast there. Yeast nutrient, and the same. So it was the same in that package there. But once we get this opened up, they think of everything on this kit. You don't need to buy anything. So if you're just getting started in the hobby, maybe one of these kits is the way to go. Remember, this company is called Craft a Brew. I'll put links to all this stuff in the description, including the link that they gave me to pass along. I love their wrapping. They did a fantastic job with this. What else? Oh, a funnel. Again, thinking about everything to fill your bottles. And this is the siphon, or the racking cane, I think, is part what this is for, because right there's the hose for it. The part to the racking cane is at the bottom of this. So again, they thought of everything. And of course, they gave you a 1-gallon carboy, because this is for a 1-gallon kit. And then we already talked about this, the back sweetening, because you want to back sweeten your mead because it's just gonna make it better. Here's everything Craft a Brew sent me. They sent me the mead making kit, mead brewing kit, and the honey bundle. So that, I guess you can get the honey included. They send me the 16-ounce flip tops, 8 of them, the back sweetening mead kit, and the mead recipe kit. It's all here. So this video was about the unboxing. I wanted to show you all the different things you get, but I started reading the instruction book here. All this kit included was the carboy, the airlock, the rubber stopper, the racking cane, the tip, the transfer tubing, the clamp, a funnel, the yeast nutrient, and sanitizer. That was all in this box. When you buy the kit, this is what you're gonna get. Now, in addition, you can get the honey from them, or if you have local honey, that's even better, because you wanna make mead from what's local to you. But they were kind enough to send me these. And then also it says the things you need is the 2.5 pounds of honey, which is what this is. You need 8 flip-top bottles right here, and you need 1 gallon of spring water. I guess they want you to use spring water in case you don't have good water at home. I like to use tap water, so that's probably what I'm going to use because I'm a firm believer that whether you're making wine or mead, you need some of those nutrients and those minerals to make a great wine. So that's what I'm going to do, but follow the directions if you're making it. Now, like I said, I'm going to show you in a separate video, but I just want to show you the details of these instructions is incredible. They went above and beyond, and let me tell you, what they put together with this instruction book is beautiful. It says day 1, you know, it goes through every day. Anybody can do this. Day 1, fermentation. Then it goes to day 2, degassing, part 1. And they say the bottling happens in 30 days. So again, this will be ready in 30 days. And then you can back sweeten, it says. And even give you some recipe variations if you want to mix in some fruits and so forth. But I love this. And then here's a really cool, choose your honey. 100% natural honey for the best results. But we'll go into this a little bit more. I hope you like the unboxing of this. I thank you, Craft Brew, for sending me all this. I'm going to give an honest review. I'm sure it's great because you're in business for making this stuff. I just want to show everybody again how easy it is to use your kit and how easy it is to make mead or even wine. Make sure you're watching all my other videos on making wine because we got a lot of great information on this channel. You don't want to miss anything. And some of the stuff that we're going to use here, we do in winemaking. From the degassing, if you want to do that, from the racking to the fermenting. A lot of it's the simple process between mead and wine. Until next time, happy mead making, and we'll get into this. I'm going to start this now, but you're not going to see it for at least 30 days when it's done. I'll tell you one thing, they thought of everything in this kit. Everything's here that you need. I don't need these bottles for a little bit, so we'll just put them to the 30-day mark when we'll break this stuff out. But man, I tell you, honey, carboys, all our additives, bunches. I don't think I need anything. It's all here. All right, I hope you like this mead making kit because this is gonna be great. Make sure you're liking and subscribing and clicking the notification bell and follow us on Instagram, HowToDoneRight. Until next time, see ya.
So baby, meet me down by the road.